Bluerush, it's time. It's time to do a roast. You've been my friend for several years now. It's time for it. So get ready, get roasted, Simpson style.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Talking to an imaginary friend.
Yeah. Okay. I got it.
Yeah, I got it too. Wait, what?
How's it going, guys? Green Dash 31 here. Okay, why am I doing this?
Good question.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I get that, but why? What's the point? It just is from Bluerush62. Why do I have to? I know I have a freaking green shirt.
Thanks for clarifying the color. I'm colorblind.
Okay, that doesn't make me a completely different person. I'm just wearing this shirt for one day. Okay. Shut up for a second so I can talk to you, okay?
I'm listening.
Oh, hold on a second here.
Did he just strangle a cat? I'm going to call the police.
Okay, so Bluerush62 here. Yeah, I'm wearing a green shirt. Anyways, let's start the video.
Well, what took you so long?
What the heck is that?
I agree, Lego Batman.
Wow, that is hard to do.
Actually, you just need to yell gibberish.
But now the question comes into play. Did I out loud Jack?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna have to come in close to the camera for this one. Hello, everybody. My name is Markiplier.
I can make the same sound as you.
Oh, Markiplier. Oh, Markiplier. Oh, Markiplier.
You're not Markiplier. This is Markiplier.
I'm the baby of Azkaban! I'm gonna get out of here! Ah! Do it! Oh god damn it, got open. No, that's wrong. Okay!
Okay, so obviously we gotta finish the trifecta here. Let's go.
Here we go!
How's it going, bros? My name is
Did he just say PewDiePie?
Yeah.
If you like that video, like it. I need it. And please subscribe. This was just a fun roast that I did for my friend. So I'm gonna put out my own YouTuber impressions. So then he might roast me in his own little way. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you later.